have seals that don't fit right. You question whether they actually are going to fit. And sometimes you're stopping to reorder something because you're not 100% sure if it's the right stuff.
Rubber goods and everything else were either cracking or they were shrinking, and I'd have to do the job over again. And every time I do a job over again, it cost me.
I would expect to see a lot of comebacks with using a lesser quality kit.
If a part's not OE and you're worried about fitment, is a big concern. Fitment is the first thing that the guy's going to notice. If he's putting something together and it does not fit, it stops the whole process right there. Now he's got to figure out what he's going to do to get around the problem of not fitting.
So in certain cases, an aftermarket component could be made using inferior quality materials that weren't specified as properly related to the OEM component.
So a lot of times what you'll see with aftermarket parts is they do their best to try to replicate the actual OE part. They don't always take into account what that part's function is going to be in the application.
When you use an OE part, it's already been tested and proven by the OE.
Using the actual OE seal gives that technician confidence that that seal will perform correctly.
They reduce the risk of comebacks back into the shop, reducing the risk of more work on their end.
And that brand promise is always, if we can get what came out of the transmission, we put right back in the bag for our overhaul kit.
Since TransTec is a brand of Freyberg NLK, we have the ability to source OEM product directly from our OEM manufacturing sites within Freyberg.
We enjoy all the benefits of that OE production, whether it be processes, materials, the parts. No other aftermarket kit producer has that ability or can say that.
The benefits to having an OE content inside the TransTec kit is always for perfect match parts. That way you can ensure a good quality rebuild.
The benefit of having the OE components in the kit is knowing that you're replacing every part with exactly what came out of it. And you know, if you had a 100,000-mile transmission and you were rebuilding it, you would feel confident that you're going to get that same mileage.
TransTec kits have more OE parts than any other kit that I have seen and used. So it's most definitely a quality product and gives you the reassurance knowing that you have everything you need to do a good, complete rebuild.
I like to think that I put the best stuff in my products, and that's why I use TransTec.